To help keep your hands on the wheel where they belong, the standard audio system offers convenient steering wheel controls that operate many of the most common features. Let's check them out. Pressing the mode key on the left side of the steering wheel lets you shuffle through different types of audio modes, from FM, AM, media, and Bluetooth audio. When your smartphone is connected with a USB cable, the phone projection button activates the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay prompts, depending on the type of connected phone. The toggle on the left controls the volume controls. The toggle on the right allows you to cycle through stations, songs, or presets. And the phone keys at the bottom allow you to receive, place, and end phone calls with the press of a button. To access the Android Auto or Apple CarPlay features, make sure your smartphone is connected with a manufacturer-supplied cable. Then, press the phone button again. Of course, you can still access the same Bluetooth features without Android Auto or CarPlay. Use the phone key to place or answer a call, and the end call button to cancel or end a phone call. Remember, this is just a short preview. This and many other topics are covered in other Kia feature videos online. For more information, visit the Kia Feature Video channel. Refer to the Car Multimedia System User's Manual and the Quick Start Guide that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.